The traditional garage was built for one thing: keeping your car out of the elements. Over time, it became the final resting place for everything you don't care about enough to deal with, and nothing you actually need. The good news is that garages are relatively easy to improve. You just need to know where to start. Here are some essential gadgets that can take your concrete cave to the next level. First up is a universal socket wrench. No matter how many socket sets you own, there's always one size missing when you need it. Universal socket wrenches solve that with a set of spring-loaded metal pins that collapse around whatever you're turning, from bolts to fasteners and odd-shaped hardware. They likely won't replace a full set for every job, but for anything that calls for multiple sizes, or when you need something that works right now, they're pretty handy to have around. Next, there's the often overlooked issue of climate control. Spending any real time in a garage means dealing with the temperature, and the garage, by design, has almost no defense against it. The walls are typically bare, the floor is concrete, and the whole front of the structure opens up to whatever the weather is doing. To solve that, a portable unit that switches between heating and cooling is a practical fix because it requires no installation or permanent setup. Just wheel it to where you're working. Even modest coverage, in the 500 to 600 square foot range, is usually more than enough for a single-car garage. Finally, you've got the holy grail of garage organization: overhead storage. Garages collect clutter the same way a drain collects hair, gradually, then all at once. Thankfully, a ceiling hoist system solves that by going vertical. The best ones use a platform suspended by synchronized pulleys, so it stays level as it rises, and lower all the way to the floor for easy loading before lifting everything out of the way. Some systems are even rated for several hundred pounds and can be controlled from your phone via Bluetooth.